Okay, if you have a 2016 to 2018 Nissan Titan diesel and you're getting a weird creak noise when you're at full steering lock, right or left, keep watching this video because I got a simple thing you want to check out. Alright, so the new Titan XD has a totally redesigned front end, much more heavy duty than the old model. Uses a pitman arm, so like any new system, it's going to have some weird bugs at first. But on the front, you're going to have these bump stops here. Now you can see that one's backed out and they have a cap on them. Now what's happening is the cap wears real thin and it starts to get a hole in it and it starts to hit against the bump stop, rub the paint away, get to where it's just metal to metal, and that's where the creaking noise is coming from. So these caps are a main problem. They either back out or the nylon just wears real thin and it goes metal to metal. So right here, all we need to do is just spin it in. And this is something you could do. You don't need a car lift. You could just do it on the ground, but I just kind of got to lifted it up, make it easier. That's a 22 millimeter wrench in case you want to tighten it. And then this side here, you can see how at the very top it's cracked. It's actually got a hole in it. And that black part there is real thin. When we take it off, you can see it's almost see-through. So that's just been hitting against the metal stop. And it's just worn it so thin, it just makes that metal to metal creak noise. So I tried to get a good shot of the bump stop actually touching, and this is the best I could get, but you can see it smashes right against there when it's at full steering lock. So if that backs out a couple threads, it's going to contact too early and make a whole lot of racket. And the way it works, if you're turning the wheel to the left, it's going to be the right side contacting. If you're turning the wheel all the way to the right, it's your left side that's going to be contacting. But usually they both go about the same time. This is what they look like. It's a really cheap part. I think it's like $4 or $5 from parts department. And you can see the new ones, the nylon is a lot thicker on these. And this is something you can just crawl right under your truck and do. I just pop them off with a pry bar. Like I said, you don't need to lift them. It's just for video's sake. But you could just lay down on the ground and take a look and see if it's either backed out or it's worn too thin. So definitely worth checking out. Only takes a few minutes. And this is once they're off, you can see it's pretty messed up. You can kind of see through it. It's really thin. It's like paper thin now. Got a hole in it. And the new one looks a lot prettier. And then to put them on, literally just snaps right on. And like I said, the actual bump stop itself is a 22 millimeter wrench if you want to tighten that up. And I made this video because I've literally had like 3 or 4 of these in a row where this has been the problem. Now this is just on full turns when you're at lock. If you're having a creak throughout the turning motion, probably ain't it. But if it's at full lock, that might be your problem. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Peace.